Welcome back. I'm Korenn Rachelle and I've been gone for a while. To explain myself, I've had issues with my hard drives and some other things. And that's pretty much what happened. In any case, I got some really great stuff for you. Let's jump into the video. I'm making raw vegan pizza. Date bites are so delicious. So much for watching, and I'll see you next time, or I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow. Day number 8 or 9. I'll see you tomorrow with day number 8. Before you leave, make sure you go over and check out my Instagram account and go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I would love to see your food pictures, so make sure you tag me in any of your vegan food pictures, and check out some of my other videos. I have a couple linked in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to share it, and I will see you next time.